نحمد ونصلي على رسوله الكريم أما بعد فأعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم رب اشرح لي صدري ويسر لي أمري واحلل عقدة من لساني يفقه قولي ربي يسر ولا تعسر وتمم بالخير وبك نستعين يا فتاح.
وقالت اليهود عزير ابن الله وقالت النصارى المسيح ابن الله ذلك قولهم بأفواههم يضاهئون قول الذين كفروا من قبل قاتلهم الله أنى يؤفكون.
The Jews say Uzair is the son of Allah, and the Christians say Masih, the Christ is the son of Allah. That is their oral statement. They imitate the saying of the earlier disbelievers. May Allah ruin them. How far they are turned back from the truth.
اتخذوا أحبارهم ورهبانهم أربابا من دون الله والمسيح ابن مريم وما أمروا إلا ليعبدوا إلها واحدا لا إله إلا هو سبحانه عما يشركون.
They have taken their rabbis and their monks as gods beside Allah, and also they have taken Masih, the son of Maryam, as God. And they were not commanded but to worship only one God. There is no God but He. Pure is He from what they associate with Him.
يريدون أن يطفئوا نور الله بأفواههم ويأبى الله إلا أن يتم نوره ولو كره الكافرون.
They wish to blow out the light of Allah with their mouths, and Allah rejects everything short of making His light perfect, no matter how the disbelievers may hate it.
هو الذي أرسل رسوله بالهدى ودين الحق ليظهره على الدين كله ولو كره المشركون.
He is the one who has sent down His messenger with guidance and the faith of truth, so that He makes it prevail over every faith, no matter how the mushriks may hate it.
يا أيها الذين آمنوا إن كثيرا من الأحبار والرهبان ليأكلون أموال الناس بالباطل ويصدون عن سبيل الله والذين يكنزون الذهب والفضة ولا ينفقونها في سبيل الله فبشرهم بعذاب أليم.
O you who believe, many of the rabbis and the monks do eat up the wealth of the people by false means and prevent them from the way of Allah. As for those who accumulate gold and silver and do not spend it in the way of Allah, give them the good news of a painful punishment.
يوم يحمى عليها في نار جهنم فتكوى بها جباههم وجنوبهم وظهورهم هذا ما كنزتم لأنفسكم فذوقوا ما كنتم تكنزون.
On the day the wealth, will be heated up in the fire of Jahannam. Then their foreheads and their sides and their backs shall be branded with it. This is what you had accumulated for yourselves. So taste what you have been accumulating.
إن عدة الشهور عند الله 12 شهرا في كتاب الله يوم خلق السماوات والأرض منها 4 حرم ذلك الدين القيم فلا تظلموا فيهن أنفسكم وقاتلوا المشركين كافة كما يقاتلونكم كافة واعلموا أن الله مع المتقين.
Surely the number of months according to Allah is 12, as written in the book of Allah, on the day He created the heavens and the earth, of which there are 4 sacred months. That is the right faith. So do not wrong yourselves therein, and fight the mushriks altogether, as they fight you altogether, and be sure that Allah is with the God-fearing.
إنما النسيء زيادة في الكفر يضل به الذين كفروا يحلونه عاما ويحرمونه عاما ليواطئوا عدة ما حرم الله فيحلوا ما حرم الله زين لهم سوء أعمالهم والله لا يهدي القوم الكافرين.
Nasih, that is postponement of months, is nothing but a further access in infidelity, whereby the disbelievers are misguided. They allow it 1 year and disallow it another year, so that they may conform only to the number of what Allah has sanctified, and allow what Allah has disallowed. The evil of their deeds has been beautified for them by Shaitan, and Allah does not lead the disbelieving people to the right path.
يا أيها الذين آمنوا ما لكم إذا قيل لكم انفروا في سبيل الله اثاقلتم إلى الأرض أرضيتم بالحياة الدنيا من الآخرة فما متاع الحياة الدنيا في الآخرة إلا قليل.
O you who believe, what is wrong with you, that when it is said to you, come out in the way of Allah, you turn heavy and cling to the ground? Have you become happy with the worldly life instead of the hereafter? So, remember that the enjoyment of the worldly life is but trivial in comparison with the hereafter.
إلا تنفروا يعذبكم عذابا أليما ويستبدل قوما غيركم ولا تضروه شيئا والله على كل شيء قدير.
If you do not march forth in the way of Allah, He will chastise you with a painful punishment and will replace you with another nation, and you can do him no harm at all. Allah is powerful to do anything.
إلا تنصروه فقد نصره الله إذ أخرجه الذين كفروا ثاني اثنين إذ هما في الغار إذ يقول لصاحبه لا تحزن إن الله معنا فأنزل الله سكينته عليه وأيده بجنود لم تروها وجعل كلمة الذين كفروا السفلى وكلمة الله هي العليا والله عزيز حكيم.
If you do not help him, it makes no difference to the Prophet, because Allah has already helped him when the disbelievers expelled him. And he was the second of the two when they were in the cave. And he was saying to his companion, "Do not grieve, Allah is surely with us." So Allah caused His tranquility to descend on him and supported him with troops that you did not see, and rendered the word of the disbelievers humiliated. And the word of Allah is the uppermost. Allah is mighty, wise.
انفروا خفافا وثقالا وجاهدوا بأموالكم وأنفسكم في سبيل الله ذلكم خير لكم إن كنتم تعلمون.
March forth in the way of Allah, no matter whether you are light or heavy, and carry out jihad, struggle in the way of Allah with your wealth and lives. This is good for you if you were to realize.
لو كان عرضا قريبا وسفرا قاصدا لاتبعوك ولكن بعدت عليهم الشقة وسيحلفون بالله لو استطعنا لخرجنا معكم يهلكون أنفسهم والله يعلم إنهم لكاذبون.
Had it been a gain at hand or an average journey, they would have certainly followed you. But the distance seemed too far to them. They will swear by Allah, we would have certainly set out with you if we were able to. They are putting themselves to ruin. Allah knows that they are liars.
عفى الله عنك لما أذنت لهم حتى يتبين لك الذين صدقوا وتعلم الكاذبين.
O Prophet, Allah has forgiven you. Why did you permit them to stay in Medina before the truthful ones could become distinct to you and you could be sure of the liars?
لا يستأذنك الذين يؤمنون بالله واليوم الآخر أن يجاهدوا بأموالهم وأنفسهم والله عليم بالمتقين.
Those who believe in Allah and in the last day do not ask you to excuse them from jihad with their wealth and lives. Allah is aware of the God-fearing.
إنما يستأذنك الذين لا يؤمنون بالله واليوم الآخر وارتابت قلوبهم فهم في ريبهم يترددون.
Only those people ask you to be excused who do not believe in Allah and in the last day and whose hearts are in doubt. So they are wavering in their doubt.
ولو أرادوا الخروج لأعدوا له عدة ولكن كره الله بعاثهم فثبطهم وقيل اقعدوا مع القاعدين.
Had they wished to set out, they would have made some preparation for it. But Allah disliked their going forth. So He made them lag behind. And it was said to them, stay back with those who are staying back.
لو خرجوا فيكم ما زادوكم إلا خبالا ولأوضعوا خلالكم يبغونكم الفتنة وفيكم سماعون لهم والله عليم بالظالمين.
And had they set out with you, they would have added nothing for you but trouble, and would have run around in your midst seeking mischief against you. Still among you there are those who spy for them. Allah is aware of the wrongdoers.
لقد ابتغوا الفتنة من قبل وقلبوا لك الأمور حتى جاء الحق وظهر أمر الله وهم كارهون.
They sought mischief even earlier and tried to upset matters for you until the truth arrived and the will of Allah prevailed, though they disliked it.
ومنهم من يقول ائذن لي ولا تفتني ألا في الفتنة سقطوا وإن جهنم لمحيطة بالكافرين.
And among them there is one who says, Allow me to stay behind and do not expose me to an ordeal. Look, they have already fallen into an ordeal, and certainly Jahannam, the hell, has the disbelievers encircled.
إن تصبك حسنة تسؤهم وإن تصبك مصيبة يقولوا قد أخذنا أمرنا من قبل ويتولوا وهم فرحون.
If some good comes to you, it annoys them. And if hardship befalls you, they say, we had already taken care of our problem, and they go their way delighted.
قل لن يصيبنا إلا ما كتب الله لنا هو مولانا وعلى الله فليتوكل المؤمنون.
Say, nothing can ever reach us except what Allah has destined for us. He is our master, and in Allah alone the believers must place their trust.
قل هل تربصون بنا إلا إحدى الحسنيين ونحن نتربص بكم أن يصيبكم الله بعذاب من عنده أو بأيدينا فتربصوا إنا معكم متربصون.
Say, what you are expecting for us is nothing but one of the two good things, martyrdom or victory. And we are expecting for you that Allah sends to you a punishment from Himself or at our hands. So wait, of course we are waiting with you.
قل أنفقوا طوعا أو كرها لن يتقبل منكم إنكم كنتم قوما فاسقين.
Say, spend willingly or unwillingly, it will never be accepted from you. You have been a sinning people.
وما منعهم أن تقبل منهم نفقاتهم إلا أنهم كفروا بالله وبرسوله ولا يأتون الصلاة إلا وهم كسالى ولا ينفقون إلا وهم كارهون.
Nothing has prevented their spending from being accepted from them, but that they have disbelieved in Allah and His Messenger, and they do not come to the Salah but lazily, and do not spend but without volition.
فلا تعجبك أموالهم ولا أولادهم إنما يريد الله ليعذبهم بها في الحياة الدنيا وتزهق أنفسهم وهم كافرون.
So their wealth and their children should not attract you. In fact, Allah intends to punish them with these in their lowly life, and that their souls should depart while they are disbelievers.
ويحلفون بالله إنهم لمنكم وما هم منكم ولكنهم قوم يفرقون.
They swear by Allah that they are from among you, whereas they are not from among you, but they are a people in fear.
لو يجدون ملجأ أو مغارات أو مدخلا لولوا إليه وهم يجمحون.
If they find a place of refuge or caves or any place to enter, they will turn towards it running as unbridled horses.
ومنهم من يلمزك في الصدقات فإن أعطوا منها رضوا وإن لم يعطوا منها إذا هم يسخطون.
And among them there are those who find fault with you in the distribution of sadaqah, alms. So if they are given something out of it, they are quite happy. And if they are given nothing from it, they at once get annoyed.
ولو أنهم رضوا ما آتاهم الله ورسوله وقالوا حسبنا الله سيؤتينا الله من فضله ورسوله إنا إلى الله راغبون.
Would that they were content with what Allah and His Messenger had given to them and were to say, Allah is sufficient for us. Allah and His Messenger will give us more out of His grace when they so will. Indeed, we crave for the pleasure of Allah alone.
Barakallahu li wa lakum wa akhiru da'wana alhamdulillahi rabbil alameen. Subhanakallahumma wa bihamdika nashhadu an la ilaha illa anta nastaghfiruka wa natubu ilayk. Amin ya rabbal alameen. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.